All right, good morning, juniors. I just wanted to provide you all with a video recording of the navigation of College Board and Khan Academy, just in case you missed my lesson about PSAT this past week. So keep listening if you're interested and just want a quick video demonstration on how to navigate the sites. And I will also include the PowerPoint that I showed to all of the classes in this Google Classroom announcement as well. So once you log into your College Board account, your home screen will look like this. It should say, hi, your name. If you need to make any changes to your account, if you just go up towards the top, it should say your name. You click that, and then if you click on account settings, you'll be able to update any of your information. To view your PSAT scores from last year in 10th grade, you're just going to simply click on PSAT scores here. It's the second tab right here. So you'll just click on that. And it will show you your scores from last year. My account obviously doesn't have scores because I did not take the PSAT last year with you all. So this is where your scores will appear. All right, so that's really College Board in a nutshell if you're looking for your scores. If you are looking for more information on college planning and SAT, you can click on the SAT tab here, PSAT, and then college planning. If you click on college search, it will bring you to the Big Future screen, which it's making me log in here with my password. So let me just log in. And it will bring you to Big Future, which is College Board's free college search tool. So up towards the top, you can type any school that you're interested in searching, and it will pull it up. So say we wanted to look at the University of Connecticut. You would just type that in and find the school that you're looking for in the list and click on it. And this is where you'll be able to view all of the information regarding the school. I will spend some time going over this in much more detail during one of my college planning workshops, which will be available for all junior students to sign up during December if you are interested in going off to school on college after you graduate from Abbott. So that's kind of College Board in a nutshell. Jumping over to Khan Academy, once you log into your homepage, it will look like this. You do want to make sure that your account is linked to your College Board account, so that way when you take the PSAT in a couple of weeks here at school, pending that we're opening, you'll want to make sure that your scores are connected to Khan Academy, so that way your scores are sent over to Khan. Khan will evaluate your data and then produce a personalized study plan for you based on your weaknesses and the areas that you didn't score your best on. So to make sure that your accounts are linked, you're going to click on your name in the upper right hand corner. I think this is getting cut off a little bit, so I apologize. Oh, look at that. I think I can move it. There we go. So name in the upper right hand corner. I'm going to scroll down to settings. It's going to bring you to your settings page. You want to make sure all of your information is correct. This is where you can change your password if you need to. And right here is what you're looking for. You want to make sure that it says that it is connected to your College Board account. So it should say right here, connected to College Board. If it doesn't, there should be a button here that prompts you to connect your accounts. But we did this last year in your science class, so hopefully you are already connected. All right, so going back to the home screen, all of you want to make sure that you have the SAT study module. If you are in fact planning to go to college and would like to study to improve your scores, if you do not have the SAT module right here, you'll want to click on the gray plus sign and add a course. You can scroll down to the bottom, make sure that your SAT box is checked here, so make sure that that's checked, and then the green button down here, continue with a course. You may then have to refresh your screen for the module to appear. So just hit that refresh button and then you'll click on SAT, the purple box here, for the module to appear. Once you click on the module, it will bring you to the official SAT Khan Academy practice website. This is where, again, it will say if you're connected to your College Board account, you can view your test scores from last year, and you can look on like where your strengths and weaknesses were. You can practice, so you could take a practice quiz if you're looking for more practice on the reading section of the PSAT. This is where you'll start, and same for math. So there's a breakdown of math no calculator, math with a calculator. So you'll definitely want to start here with the practice questions, and then it kind of gives you a breakdown. So say you know that algebra is not your strength and you want to improve those skills for the PSAT, you'll want to spend more time practicing here in the algebra section. But if you keep scrolling down, it obviously will give you a breakdown of all of the different math components on the PSAT. So this is a nice kind of breakdown, and I love the videos. If you click on practice example, it literally gives you a walkthrough of how to complete the problem. So very thorough and great for you to practice and improve your scores. So going back to Khan Academy to the SAT module, tips and strategies is an excellent tab for you to learn more about the SAT official practice. How does it work with Khan Academy? General SAT taking strategies, so definitely click through. Some of them are videos, so you'll be able to kind of watch these videos and get a better idea of some tips and strategies for yourself. Going back to the official SAT module, this is where you can click on full tests, and you can actually take full practice tests, so you're better prepared. And then review is just where you will, once you actually start to do some of the practice, you can review how you did. Overall, with anything in life, you will feel better, more confident, more prepared, and more at ease about the SAT the more that you practice. So I highly recommend that if you do want to improve your score and you are interested in college, you're kind of looking at where your score is, what your weaknesses are, and then making a plan to make sure you are on here on Khan Academy and you are improving your skills. Last thing I want to show you, if you would like to add the official SAT text or email reminders so it reminds you to study, you'll come back to that SAT module homepage and then click on Choose Your Practice Schedule. All of you are going to take the actual SAT on March 24th right here in school. So March 24th, you'll click on that and then set up the text reminders. All right, so as always, if you guys have any questions or concerns, you can send me an email. You all know my email by now, I hope. Marissa with 1S .Shanley @cttech.org. So make sure you're spelling my name correctly. And if you need anything, send me an email, and I'll see you all very soon. All right. Miss you guys here at school, and have a great day. Bye-bye.